Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. I know there's so many videos like this one, but you came into this one because you love me and how pretty I am. Oh my god, just kidding. Anyways, so today we're gonna be talking about which one was better, if it was Ipsy or if it was Boxycharm. We're gonna be seeing which one was better this month. So if you wanna see what I think about these boxes, please keep watching. If this is the first time you ever see my face, this face right here, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell to get more updates when and why I put up a new video. And don't forget to follow me on social media. Here are the links right here. You have all of them right here, so you can always follow me there. And don't forget to like this video, just in case you forget, and you like me. Don't forget to like this video. And comment below what you think. Well, I've seen a lot of videos about Ipsy Bag versus Boxycharm, so I wanted to do my take on it too. I know there's so many videos about it, but you're here, so thank you so much. So there's different options. There's price, there's size, weight, there's product, accessibility, accessibility. Okay, anyway, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so we're gonna be seeing. Okay, let's start with Ipsy. Ipsy, this one is my first box. This is June, so let's open it up. The boxes are the same size, so you guys can see. Same boxes, same size. One is pink, which is I love pink, and this is space gray. And they both come with this one says Discover Yourself, and this one says Boxycharm, and there are links and everything like that. Now both come with the foam. This one is actually kind of bigger, so you can actually covers everything. This one not really. It comes exposed like this. Now price is the same price. They both $25, so which is not that bad for the product that comes with it. Not bad at all. So it's a really good deal. So let's see. Now, come with the postcard. Boxycharm shows up the prices right here of each product. Now, Ipsy, it doesn't. Ipsy doesn't come with the prices right here. It just like this. It just gives you stuff, like this one. It says here comes the sun, about using, sunscreen and things like that. And then it gives the other option about save the date, about some sweepstakes, and now doesn't come with any prices or products here in your box. Now with Boxycharm it does, so it gives you their theme right here, and then it gives you each product right here, and the price and the weight and their social media. Now the cool thing about Ipsy that they give you a little bag. Give you a really pretty little bag. This one's pretty cool. You see all them girls over there on the beach. I wish I was at the beach, but stupid coronavirus, we can't go to the beach. But this is so cool. I mean, I love the smell. Plastic. But Boxycharm doesn't give you that option. Doesn't give you like a bag or something else, because they're not in for that. Now about product, here all the size right here. So this is my first box. Now here they give you the product. They all came in boxes. I guess some of them I threw them away. So it gives me a highlighter, eyeshadow press, something like that. A primer that I already have, but it's okay because you can always have so many primers, and a face mask. Now for boxes, come in a box, and here's the products. So I love this box. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is the winner of this month because it gives you Kylie Jenner, it gives you a Smudgebox setting spray, and a lipstick, and something from Tula, and an eyeshadow palette, like a face palette. Ipsy has an app. which is so much better. And I think that's why they don't give you the prices on their car. It's on the floor. You can just go through the app and you can check everything that you receive and the prices. Now for Boxycharm, they don't have an app. They have an actual website, which is kind of inconvenient. I don't know why they don't make an app. It will be so much better for us subscribers to actually, you know, hey, you know, let's go on my Boxycharm app and check out the products that I got, which is kind of not cool. I mean, like, they should really have an app, because a website is kind of like, website, come on, man, website, no, app is better, app. So that's a win-win for Ipsy, because Ipsy has an app, which is so cool. Boxycharm has a website, yay. Now, let's talk about weight. It's kind of light. Very light. I don't know how much my box weighs, but this one is heavy as hell. But I you know why it's so heavy? Because it's actually 2 full-size liquids right here, which is a setting spray and the cleansing foam from Cali Cosmetics. And then you have those other big things, like this one kind of weighs a little bit, and then this one right here, there's 2 items right here, and then for this one doesn't. But what I love about this box is there's some things here that I have never gotten in a long time. Like for Ipsy, yeah, I have this. Some items I don't, but I have so many of it. But for the Boxycharm, I actually don't. I mean, I do have a lot of other items, but some things that I have never used for so long, and that's what I love about this. Now let's talk about the products, the customizations. Each box you actually get to pick an item, and they'll customize it however you from that brand. Now what I chose, it was this one. It was a Perlice energizing aqua balm. That's the one that I chose. For Boxycharm, I actually missed out on it. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was a crash or something, but I never got to choose what I wanted on my box. So in my opinion, I think they chose this for me, which is actually pretty good. I'm not mad at all. I mean, I like this a lot. And it's the Tula Skincare Glow It Getting Cool and Brightening Eye Balm, which is pretty cool. I love this product. So that's the one that they chose for me. Choosing. Customizations. I told them I didn't want any face mask. I don't want any lipstick. I don't want any eyeshadows. Ipsy. Those 3 items that I said, no, they still send it to me. So it's like they're actually reading what I want in my box. Like, I don't get it. So this actually sent it to me. For Boxycharm, it's the same shit. For Boxycharm, I told them no more eyeshadow palettes or, you know, face palettes. And no lipstick. And they still send me lipstick. So do they listen to us? They don't listen to us. They actually don't read that shit. So I don't know why we're actually wasting so much time on doing the customizations when they don't fucking listen. They don't listen. So I mean, what's the point? Why are you wasting time? So for customization, both of them, nah, X. They don't listen. They don't listen at all. Now for delivery, they both came at the same time. So that's actually pretty good, because both of them I got at the same time. I opened them both at the same time. I did the same review at the same time. So that's pretty cool. That's what I love. Punctuality. They both came on the 15th of the month, which is good. Now let's talk about my other subscription box that I think I might canceling. But my Fabfitfun is not here yet. It's almost at the end of the month and it's not here yet. It was supposed they sent me the track information on the 18th. Where the fuck is my box? I don't know where the box is. And I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know if it's their problem, but I noticed that it hasn't even left the facility. It's just that right there. And it's like, it's in Chino. It's not that far. Give me my fucking box. I'm mad. So anyways, that's my take on this box. Like, the winner of this month is actually Boxycharm. Boxycharm right here is actually the winner of this month, even though Ipsy my first box. Let's just wait until how it goes next month, because I want to see. I already did my choosing for Ipsy. I still haven't done it for Boxycharm, but for Ipsy I actually chose this amazing product. That's what I chose for Boxycharm. They haven't sent anything yet, so let's see what happens. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, let me know what you think. Follow me on social media right here. You can always talk to me. I'm not shy. Don't be shy. Let me know what you think about the boxes, what you think about my review. Of course, Boxycharm is the winner of this month because all the products are coming right here. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.